Hi guys, I am here in front of my most favorite knit shop. I'm here in Wisconsin and I'm here at Dmarie's Knits and Fiber, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to go in and see all the stuff that she has. He's nice. Oh wait, is it he or she again?
Hi! We are wonderful!
Oh my god! I'm so excited!
Yes! Look at this crew you have.
I know, right?
They're all yours?
Yes. Come on in,
my
guys.
God, you guys, you have the coolest.
Don't be scared.
Do you guys know you have the coolest mom?
Do you guys know that?
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at it. There's Papa.
Hi.
Hi.
I hope you don't mind.
So you were out there getting a picture with Flo.
Oh, I was.
Yeah, see?
I'm talking to, I'm at my favorite knit shop now.
Right?
Guys.
Oh my God.
I love this. I love this. Okay, hi guys. I'm Lisa.
I'm Angela!
Go, go, go.
Right? Woohoo!
Hi.
Oh my goodness.
Hi. Yeah.
Holy crap, I love it.
How awesome that pattern is. So,
Yeah,
like,
you gotta get a
pick
close-up
right up.
of.
If you want tested, you call me.
Oh my
please.
gosh, you're awesome because I'm working on
That was
another one.
amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah. Doesn't that look gorgeous?
Okay, guys. This is Auntie Dana.
Hello.
Hi.
Yep, cousin Millie. Cousin.
Yeah, Millie's like, what?
Okay.
Right?
Thought we were going home.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's introduce. So we have Angela, Miss Angela.
Hi. Hi.
Okay.
I'm Erica.
Erica, do you work here too?
I
Yes.
do.
Oh, awesome. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so we have Jacob.
Hello.
Hello, Jacob.
Are we going in order of age?
Yeah, like
Yeah, we
raise your
always
hand
do
or
that.
something.
Alright.
Yeah.
So Jacob, Aria, just wave. Anaya, and Bella, and Benjamin, and Sir James.
Oh my
He's
goodness.
Hello.
He's doing his own thing.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, it's nice to meet all of you. Welcome. Welcome to our tiny little town.
Oh my
Back way.
We all knit though, don't we?
Do you guys all knit?
Crochet?
I learned how, but
Does anyone crochet?
Because I thought I
crochet.
saw.
Yeah,
Yeah.
crochet was our first love. It was our, I mean, it's still our love.
Right, right.
I remember.
But then I dove into knitting and.
Oh my God, and did
put-
you dive in?
Oh
my
my
goodness.
gosh! Right, because last year when I came here, that was like me just
Yeah.
starting, and I was so impressed with all her stuff here. I went home. I mean, with all the yarn that I made my
Right.
husband buy me.
Yeah.
We came in
Quite
twice.
super.
Okay, I was here one day. I'm like, can we go back the next day?
Yeah.
We came back
Millie
in.
wants your attention. She's like, hey guys, you can't all stand around. And,
Right? You can't all stand
Don't
around
be
with all those
scared.
empty hands and not pet me. Right?
Millie's super friendly.
Super gentle. Yep.
We're gonna move this so you guys can like
What are you
not
guys
feel
doing?
crushed into
Oh
the
my
floor.
There you
gosh,
go,
I
yep.
see all these classes.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Lots of classes. And so are your patterns taking off?
Well, it's selling
Yeah.
more than my other patterns. It's not like,
Well, yeah,
but
but
I
you
figure,
you
know,
just keep doing
Yeah.
that was great.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when we get the Matosh cotton wool,
Mhm.
I was going to do like a huge
Good.
Go, you're fine,
I'll
you're
link
fine.
to you and link to the pattern, and then I figured I would do like a knit along or a class to
Oh,
do
that's
that.
awesome.
Yeah,
That's
because-
And then that
Yeah.
way
And she kind of likes
you can direct people to
Are you 6?
go
Perfect.
pick that out. And
Because I kind of like
Oh, I
I
thought you
think
were
that would be perfect.
it's going to be
Yeah.
cactus. I'm going to put little
Awesome.
spikes sticking off of
How do you turn around when you don't know where you're going and everything you do just don't turn out right? You can't even seem to change the things that you do 'cause you don't even know no better. You don't even know who controls the weather. So when the storm comes around, you think you're sinking deep, thinking that you'll never rise. You find yourself
shopping, Dmarie. Thank you so much.
Enjoy
This was an
your
awesome
yard.
moment. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Okay, guys, so I won't say I went overboard, but you know, you always need yarn. Do you see all these bags, guys? Oh my God, yes. Here, Wisconsin, Dmarie Knits. So guys, I am so excited about my yarn that I bought at Dmarie Knits. As you can see, I have 4 bags. I'm just so happy. So I just want to show you guys the stuff that I got. So right here, I have this yarn Scout 100% wool, and I bought 3 of these. I love those colors together. They look pretty nice. All right. It's a lot of yarn, so art yarns. It feels so nice, and I love that color. Isn't that color so gorgeous? Oh my God. Yes. I got another one. I'm really digging this yarn. Super nice, super soft. And then I think I also bought this sequence beaded silk and sequence light. I think this one might go with this. I think it might go with both of them. Here we have this one. The color is just so nice. I love yarn. They're so pretty. All right, so we have Tosh. What is this called? Oh Lord. LYS, that's the name of the color? Okay. All right. I thought about 2 of these, but we will see. I kept thinking, what are my colors? Like my favorite colors, but I think I just love all colors. All right. So I like this. I think I want to use this to make like a market bag. So I'll probably make a pattern of a knit market bag with this. And I just couldn't resist these tiny little skeins. Are they skeins or hanks? I don't know. Whichever. They're so nice and cute. All right. So let's move that bag out. Next bag. I bought a book. Top Down Shawls. Can't wait to look through that. So this is the first time I'm hearing about this yarn, Wonderland Yarns. And that's not because they're new. I don't know. That's just because I am new to all this wonderful yarns. 100% superwash merino. So pretty. So pretty. Love it, love it. And I had to get this other one. Why not? So beautiful. 5 skeins. 640 yards. Oh yes. Oh gosh, this is making something. All right, guys. Some more Tosh. Madeline Tosh. Okay, I think I got these 2. I don't know if the color really go together, but I'm thinking I could make it work. Let me know what you think. All right. All right. Okay, let's put these back for now. Here we go. Oh, here's this one. Your friend was over here. So this one belongs to this. All right. Cute. And then I had to get the other color. So you see what I'm saying? My colors, I'm getting all colors. A little more minis. They're not as tiny as the others, but they're cute. They're from Wonderland Yarns. So nice. Okay. Next bag. So this is from the Fiber Co. And they are beautiful. So fluffy, so nice. Oh my goodness. I already have a design for this already. My brain is churning with all this yarn. I had to sit down in the store because so many ideas was just flowing through my mind. Do you see this table already? Oh my goodness. We have one more bag. All right, what is this? Jewel spun. Okay, this is nice. I really don't know why I got this yarn, but I mean, it looked cute. It looked nice. Love the color changes. And I also bought one for my daughter, which she is now using already. She went in the bag and took her stuff out. Okay, so here, I wanted to show you guys these. I love these. I don't even know the name of this. Can I even say the name? I don't even know. Okay. Don't know, but it's okay. They are beautiful. My husband loves these yarns, the color changes. So I figured I can make him 2 hats. And these are the pom-poms. Aren't they so cute? Oh, yes they are. Thank you. All right, so now we have some Malabrigo Rios. Nice colors. I like these nice colors. And then I also went darker colors. These are the same brand, Malabrigo Rios. And I got 2 more. I love this blue. It is just so nice. Oh my goodness. They're all nice. Yes, they are. And that's it, guys. All my stuff from Dmarie. I think I would have just bought the whole store. I had to control myself. I had to control myself. Control yourself, girl. Okay. I'm trying to sort out all my stuff. All my knit stuff. Crochet, knit, whichever one I'm gonna do. Here we go. Scott, where are you? Right here. Kind of keep these people in their little groups. Stay in your group, stay in your zone. All right, that's it. All my stuff. Isn't it so fabulous? We're gonna have a great time together, guys. Yes, we are. Wonderful. Thank you, Dmarie. Thank you so much.